The cannot process transaction error on Total Wireless usually means there's a problem with your payment, billing address, or web browser. Common causes include incorrect card details, address mismatches due to anti-fraud measures, or using outdated browser versions. Total Wireless has improved error handling with AI-driven chatbots in their app and website, as well as support for biometric authentication and cryptocurrency payments. To fix this, start by ensuring all payment information is current and correct. Then try some basic troubleshooting steps. First, double-check your card details, including number, expiry date, and CVV, plus your billing address on Total Wireless's website or app. Ensure they match exactly with your bank statement. Next, enable your card for online transactions through your bank's app to ensure it can be used for web purchases. Then try using incognito mode or switch to a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari to bypass potential issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or disable ad blockers and VPNs that might interfere with the transaction. As a last resort, contact Total Wireless support directly through their app or website for help identifying specific account or payment method issues.